Hello there friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Darci. I have a question for you today. Do you fold or do you roll the towels in your linen closet? Let me show you what I do to maintain a clean and organized linen closet. Let's get started. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darci and I do weekly organizational videos here on this channel. Last week, I showed you how I fold the fitted sheets in my linen closet. And today I'm showing you how I fold and roll the towels in the linen closet. Let's really get started. Come with me. So these are just some basic steps in folding and or rolling the towels. All I do is fold the towel in half, half again. Make sure it's straightened out, and then I just roll. And roll as tight as you can. And here it is, rolled and ready for the linen closet. Let me fold this one. This is the guest towel. As I mentioned, this is done. Different way, we just fold, make sure the tags are in half, fold again, another half. And the way that I do this is a little bit different. I just fold in the middle, fold in the middle again, and put the two ends together. So it looks like this. Whichever way it's in the closet, it's going to be nice and neat. These are some other towels that I just, washcloths actually, that I just finished folding. If you'd like to see how that's done, I can do a separate video on that. But these are the things, very easy to get organized and put in your linen closet. As you saw earlier, there's nothing special about the way the towels are either rolled or folded. The ones here that are rolled are the towels that everyday towels for the house, and those are just rolled and put in the cabinet here. The ones that are folded here are the guest towels, and I have two sets of guest towels, and those are folded, not rolled. And so those have that hotel look, and it's fluffy and really pretty, but they're just two sets right there. So we have the towel, the bath towel, we have the face towel and washcloth. Now the way I fold these other towels here, these are some washcloths and some face towels, and those are done a little bit different. And I'd love to do a video on that if you'd like to see how those are folded, so very special and different. But the everyday towels are rolled as you see here. Now I have some other washcloths here, and pretty much what I do is I put 6 or 9 washcloths together and just tie a ribbon around them. And then we just take out a set each time that we need to use for the week, the washcloths here. So that's why those have the ribbons on. Nothing special, just for organizational purposes. Now over on this side, I do have some colored towels. This is where most of the other towels are kept, and pretty much they are kept just either rolled or folded. So this is what our linen closet looks like every day. I also put some candles in here, and just for the aroma, the extra candles that we have for the home are kept in here. When the cupboards are closed, it gives it a really nice aroma when it's opened up. So these are the towels rolled for the house and folded for guests. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget, if you like organizational videos, I'd love for you to subscribe to the channel. That is, if you have not already done so. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week in our next video. Next week, I'll be doing another area of the linen closet where all the sheets and pillowcases are kept. And that will be the completion of the series. First week I did how to fold a fitted sheet. This week is how I fold towels. And the next week we'll do a complete linen closet organization. Don't forget, come back next week. I'm really looking forward to seeing you then. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.